That looks good. Hey everybody, and welcome back to Cast Iron Cooking. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cook bacon wrapped little smokies. Not your traditional way, and it's going to make a great holiday appetizer. Okay, what you're going to need to do this is a pound of bacon. You need a pack of little smokies, some toothpicks. I'm going to use these because I'm going to cheat and use skewers, but either or. And brown sugar is optional. So I've got the pan heating up to medium right now while I get my cutting board and my knife ready. And it takes a little while for cast iron to heat up, a little bit longer, so I go ahead and take the bacon. We're going to cut it into thirds. I'm not really good at that, but we'll fake it. Say about right there. Alright, looks like the middle's going to be a little bit bigger, but that's okay. Alright, like I said, it's not your traditional little smokies for the holiday season. Most people throw it in a crock pot with some barbecue sauce, some butter and brown sugar. That's basically dessert, just like this, so neither one of them is really healthy, but you gotta cheat on the holidays, right? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead first and take the bacon. We're gonna wrap them up like this. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put the skewer through it. See, about right here. There's one. I'm gonna wrap another one. Keep on going. I can't wait. Two things I love, especially bacon. I'll eat anything with bacon. Alright. See if our temperature's up yet. Okay, you can see by the stick the oil is up to temp. The bigger the stick, by the way, the more it bubbles, the better you can see it. I just happen to have that handy. So I'm making these up for you guys, and then I have this much left over that I'll cook after the video's over. So it's going to be really quick. You're going to do it a minute on both sides. If you have if you have toothpicks, just fill the oil up where it can float around in there. And if you've got like a spider strainer, great. If not, you can just do it with something else. But let's go ahead and get these going in there. Alright, so we got 4 in there. It looks like they're touching now, but don't worry because that bacon's going to shrink and they're not going to be touching each other in about a minute. Okay, let's go ahead and get these flipped over. We can do the other side. Okay, we're going to cook it on this side. Minute to 2 minutes depending on, you know, the heat of your thing. So just go ahead and eyeball it when you see it brown and kind of look at it. Alright, let's check them out. Looks like they're done on both sides. So first we're going to get them in here and then I'll tell you what to do with the brown sugar. Okay, now that we've had them out for a couple seconds, it's still hot, we're going to just sprinkle some brown sugar on there. You can put as much as you want. Alright, let's give it a taste and see how they came out. Let's see. Oh yeah. That's really good. Might put a little bit more brown sugar in it. And I need a yes or no on this question. Do you want to see me do these in the cast iron skillet but baked with brown sugar? Just say yes or no in the comments. Remember, don't hate, congratulate.